Hi guys, it's Gretchen again from Sunset Ranch Creations. On my previous video, I made hand soap using just pure essential oils. Today, I'm going to be making a hand soap with using the Thieves household cleaner. Kind of a little bit of a shortcut here. Tried it before and it seems to work really well. So if you have this on hand, this is a fantastic way to use it. So same idea, you're gonna use the Castile soap. I get the unscented. Gonna put about that much in. Here's what this looks like. And you're gonna use about a half a capful, or a little tiny bit more, of the Thieves cleaner. Just pour that straight in. And then add your water. Remember, don't go too far to the top or you will have overflowing joy. Okay. Then, same thing. Screw that lid on and shake it up. Again, this is for a foam soap, so you need to have a dispenser. I recycle old ones from previous purchases. I know you can buy them new, ready to fill up, but there you have it. See if we can, oh, look at that. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe. I appreciate it.